In this video, I will show you how to turn on low latency mode on Twitch. First, open your browser and go to Twitch website, sign into your account. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then select Creator Dashboard. In the left sidebar, click Settings. Now select Stream. Scroll until you find the option of Latency Mode Settings. Click the drop-down menu and choose Low Latency. Low latency mode reduces the delay between your live stream and your viewers, making it easier to interact with chat in near real time. This is especially useful if you frequently respond to viewer messages during your streams. If your internet connection is stable and has a good upload speed, low latency is usually the best option. However, if your connection is slower or less reliable, you may prefer normal latency, which can provide a much more stable streaming experience. Once you have selected your preferred latency mode, the setting will be saved automatically. Start your next stream and the new latency settings will be applied. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.